You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. James Clear. Your goals don't shape your life. Your habits do. Everyone wants success, discipline, clarity, but most people rely on motivation, and motivation burns out fast. So they blame themselves, when the real problem is the system they're operating in. James Clear is ruthless with the truth. You don't magically climb to your dreams. You build your way there brick by brick, routine by routine. Your goals point the direction, but your systems create the results. If your daily actions don't match your ambition, nothing changes. So ask yourself, are your habits leading you toward your future or back into your past? Because success isn't about trying harder. It's about structuring your life so progress becomes automatic.